Your children should be working for you in your home-based business. And by the way, everybody should have a home-based business. Why should you have a home-based business? Especially if you have children, because you are going to supply those children with something. I don't care how broke you are. You're going to supply them with food, clothing, and shelter. The IRS says when your child works for you in your home-based business, then you get to take the money that you were going to use for them anyway. Now you can pay them a salary. A salary to do what? Small children can do chores. Bigger children can help you with your social media. Older children can help you with your bookkeeping. They can help you at events. They can plan. Let me tell you something. Even a baby can model for you in your business. So the IRS says you can hire your child to work in your home-based business. You can pay each child up to $12,000 a year. You might be thinking, where am I going to get $12,000 from? I'm not talking about a new $12,000. I'm talking about the money you're already spending. Try diapers. Try formula, try daycare, try tuition, try football lessons and ballet lessons and cheerleading camp. All of these things that you are spending money on anyway, you cannot get it back. Let me tell you something. If you want to be financially free, you must do three things. You must spend less money. You must get more money through multiple streams of income. And everybody should have my book, The Symphony, A Guide to Creating and Balancing Multiple Streams of Income. Not because I'm telling you to get it. I'm telling you it works. It is a game changer. And number three, you must learn how to get your money back. So whenever you go out to spend a penny, a dime, a quarter, and especially a dollar or 10 of them, you need to ask yourself, can I get this back? If the answer is no, don't spend it. You can get it back if your transaction is connected to business. When you drive your car, it should be for business. When you talk on your cell phone, your whole cell phone should be for business. When you give your kids money, stop doing that. Pay them a salary. Give them independence. Let me tell you something, and this is the truth. Children do not want things. They think they want things. Children want a financial education, and children want parents who are going to teach them how to be responsible and how to survive in this world. This world is tough, this world is crazy, and this world is hard. And the best thing you can give your children is a financial education. You have already done the work. You're here. They already have it better than us. Now let's make it even better than that in 2020. Trust me.